Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the Wicked Cushions earpad covers for your headphones. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range between $22 and $24. Now they make them for a bunch of different headphones. I'm going to show you a few. And basically what they are, waterproof covers for your ear cups and replacement ear cups. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, so let's take it to the website real quick. We're going to start off with the Beats Studio Pros. Now, for the earpads, just for the covers, they're going to run you $22. Now, they come in a bunch of different colors, and they're super easy to install. Now, everybody knows, if you work out with your expensive headphones, after a while, the ear cups are going to stink, and they're going to start to crack. You just spent $200, $300, $400 on some headphones. You want to protect them? $22. Let me show you how these work. So we're going to start off with the covers. Basically, inside, you get a little replacement cards, installation instructions, and on Amazon, they got a few installation videos, but they're real simple. If you notice, each one has a little cutout on the bottom. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to flip these inside out just like this, drop them right on the ear cup, and just unflip them. Now make sure you line them up with the little hole in the bottom, and there it is. Now let's do the other one. Again, all you got to do, turn it inside out and slap it on. And this is one of the main reasons I hate using my expensive headphones in the gym, because I hate to damage the ear cups. Now, let me just go ahead and line this up correctly. Okay, and here's how they look installed. Perfect fit. Water resistant, sweat resistant, smell resistant. Okay? Now you can rock these in the gym. You can run with these, do whatever you got to do. And then when they start to get beat up, pull them off. Now when you got to go to work, your headphones are going to look brand new. Simple and effective tech. This is the textbook definition. Now I want to show you the next ones. All right, so next up, we got the replacement covers. Again, $22 to $24, comes in a bunch of different colors. Now let me show you how these look. Okay. Now inside, these are going to be installed using adhesive. I'm going to put those to the side for a minute. Of course, you got all your pamphlets, but I want to show you a different color first. Okay, look at this. We got a nice little funky color right here. And let me show you how to install these. Basically, what you got to do is you're going to take a butter knife. Oh, my cat hairs on it. And you're just going to peel these off. Just like that. You see, it's just adhesive. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Now that one I had kind of already loosened up before the video. But you see, all you got to do is go around like that. Don't worry, you're not going to break them. It's just a sticker. And they peel right off, just like that. Now you want to go around and get rid of all this extra adhesive. Let me do that real quick. All right, now that we got everything set up, before you install them, go on Amazon and watch the little installation video from the company. But it's pretty simple and straightforward. One side is going to have the little cutout on the bottom. Okay, that's going to be for your USB Type-C charging slot. And this one says top side. So you know this is going to be the other side for the top. So basically what you're going to do is peel off the adhesive. You're going to line up the holes. Okay, and just slap it on. Now I'm going to do this from behind the camera so I can get a nice tight press. Okay. And there it is. Now for the other side, make sure you look for the top. Peel this off. Line up the holes. And slap them on. Let me just make sure I get the nice tight fit. Okay. All I'm doing from behind the camera, just pressing down like this. And here it is. Now I got replacement ear cups, which are water resistant. And the good thing about these, they do come in brown. So this way, if any moment I get tired of these, I can easily put these on the top and go back to brown, or I can just peel these off and install the factory brown ones again. How sick is that? Again, simple and effective tech. Now let me show you a few more. All right, now we also have them for the new Beats Solos and the OG Studios. So here's how they look on the Beats Solos. Now these are just the covers. As soon as I finish working out, I can just take these off. If I want to switch colors, again, just look for that little hole in the bottom. Flip it inside out. Just like that. And you're just going to slap it on. Okay. Now, it's a little bit harder to do from behind the camera, but if I could do it like this, you'll easily be able to do it too. Okay. And just make sure you line that hole up. Just like that. Same thing on this one. Flip it inside out. This is actually ingenious, okay? You don't have to damage your ear cups anymore. Okay, now let me do this real quick. And here's how they're gonna look, fully installed. Now, as you can see, you can still use your headphone jack and your charger. Now you just got more water resistance. All of the cutouts, everything lines up. Now, for the OG Studios, same thing. I can just pop these off. Just like that. And I can actually swap to black. And once these get beat up, if I want to go back to red, swap back to the original red. And the color match is perfect. Simple and effective tech. Now let me show you some different headphones. All right, so now let's take a look at the earpads for the Sony XM5s. Now to take these off, real simple. You're just going to stick that knife in there, and you're going to pop these out. Now, these actually come out in little clips, just like that. Let me do the other one. Okay, now this pops out just like that. And these are reusable because they have the clips. You're going to grab the new set. And if you look closely, there's a little tab on the bottom. It's hard to see on camera, but there's a little R right there. So you got right and left. Okay, let's see. There it goes. That's for the left. So now, just go for your headphones, look for the right and the left, and then we're going to slap these in. Now the tab goes on the bottom. Okay, you're just going to put your finger right inside so you can feel that little clip. And you're going to snap it in. Now let me do this. Now once you get that first clip in the top, okay, you'll feel it. It's a little slap sound, a little snap sound. Okay, let me do that again. I want y'all to see this live. Okay, there it is. You see? As you're pushing them in, you'll hear the clicks. All right, now let me make sure everything is in there. Okay, now once you get all the clips in, just go like this to make sure they're all in tight. Okay, because you want that noise cancellation to still work. Same thing, there's the little L. Stick the finger in there just like that. Gonna wait for try to feel that click. Okay. There it is. Now all of them ain't gonna make that clicking sound, but you'll feel it. Now let me go around again. All right, so all I'm doing from behind the camera is going around just like this and pressing them. You're gonna hear a little pop, a little click to make sure it's locked into place. And then again, just go like this. Make sure all of them are lined up. And there you have it. Now you can take your XM5s to the gym and go crazy and not worry about your ear cups. Now they do come in a few different colors. Let's see what else we got. Check these out. Okay, nice little funky design like this. And if you get tired of that, you can always put your stock ones back on, or you can just buy the replacement ones in black. I love how they sell the solid colors. All right, so these are the wicked cushions for the Sony 1000XM5s. Now let me show you one more. All right, so now let's check them out for the Airpod Max. And on a side note, I wish I would have got these when I first got my Airpod Max, because I actually use these in the gym and I use these when I do my little outdoor workouts. Look how dirty the ear cups get. Now all you got to do is get the wicked cushions. Okay, if you notice, it has the R and the L. Okay, right and left. All we're gonna do Same thing. You can actually take these off and do it like this, make it a little easier. Slap it in there. Slap it around. Okay. Take your finger, just make sure everything is nice and tight in there. Look at that. Perfect fit. And then slap it right back on. Come on. Again, simple and effective tech. Oh, I should have got these immediately. Okay. I hate the way these look. I actually washed them and they got dirty again. Okay, so let's put the R right in there, just like that. Slap this on. Okay. Slap it right on. Now look at this. Sweat resistant, dirt resistant, super easy to install and take off, and they look funky now. Now we do have a few different colors. All right, shoes back up a little bit. Now, I'll probably rock the black ones because I got some little covers for the back. Matter of fact, let's see how the black ones look since these are so easy to take on and off. Okay. Slap it in just like that. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna make y'all wait. I'll do it off camera. Okay. Now we're just gonna slap the cups back on. Look how the black look. Oh, this looks sick. Sweat resistant. And keep your original ear cups looking nice and fresh. I do have one more color. Let's see what these ones are. Okay. Another funky design. Simple and effective tech. Let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so this is another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the wicked cushions, earpad covers, under 25 bucks. Protect your investment. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.